So let's just talk about inner class in Python. So the inner class is basically whenever one class is nested inside outer class, that is called the inner class. So suppose we have a class outer. Now inside the outer class we have one nested class inner. So that is our nested inner class. So the inner class will help to improve the code organization. So we use the inner class when the class is coupled with this outer class, and the inner class serves as a component of this outer class. So the inner class will help to keep the code structure modular and cohesive. So like an example, let's just create one class person. So let's just define the constructor. So it will take the name of the person, the city and the state of that person. So here we can initialize the name. So here we can just create the city and the state also, but to make the code much more structured and modular, we can create one object of the city and state. So for this we need one class. Now because the class will be needed by this person class only, so we can define this as an inner class right inside this class. So here define the inner class address, because we are going to store address using that class. So here the inner class also going to have the constructor. So it will take the city and the state, and the inner class will have the city and also it will have the state instance variable. So we have created this inner class. We can create one instance variable address. So the address is one object. So let's just create the object. So self.address. So we are calling this address class to create the object. Now we have to pass the city and state. So let's just pass the city and the state. So here we are just calling the constructor. So this will return the object. So here we are creating address object. Now the inner class also can have its own methods. So let's just define one instance method so it will have the self, because this is instance method. Now the show method basically going to print, so it will print the city, so self.city, and also it is going to print the state, self.state. So this method belongs to this address class, which is the inner class. Now the outer class can have its own method. So let's just define one show method here also. So this will take the self. So here let's just print the name of the person, self.name. Now here we can use that object and we can call the method of the address class. So we can write self.address.show. So let's now create one object p1. So here we have to pass the name of the person, so the city of the person, the state of the person. So now we can use the object p1 and we can call the show method. So whenever we call the show method, so this method will be invoked. So it will print the name of the person, and then it will use the address object to call the show method of this inner class. So here it will print the city and the state. So if we run this, so you can see here we have the output. We have the name and the city and the state. So this is the way we can create one inner class nested inside one outer class. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.